car is just getting started, and it's exciting to see where it's going to.
I've been around this car for a while now. Again, I love the white. The carbon fiber fenders obviously is somewhere where your eyes look. You know, you instantly go, hey, why is this different color? And you get closer to it, like right there, and you can see it's carbon fiber fender. That is awesome. Love the red spoiler to match the wheels because it's not completely finished. Obviously, you have some scaves here and there, and again, this is something you would be rating something going down the road.
Today, we are heading to the Tail of the Dragon, one of the roads that everybody talks about. They say it's the greatest road ever. Oh crap, dude. Today, we had like 3 Nismos that were in front of us and like 7 Nismos behind us for the 370Z. It was just like, oh, just a symphony of VQ 37s.
Inspired by thirst, inspired by worth. Decide your worst, so you just type all that work. I ain't tired to be first. I write second, third verse. Not the last one dispersed. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by your mission. Tell me that I can and I won't ever get to the most till I something what
I was able to shoot Jarrett. We had walkie-talkies. We had talked to each other. Now they're shooting in. We're gonna have to, try to make up some ground here a little bit because we kind of are behind. So that's like, where is everybody? Where'd everybody go? Apparently, took a wrong turn. We took an exit off of 77 to get back onto 77, and they didn't realize that the direct route from 77 onto 77 was closed. So we got to the final destination and nobody was there. It's kind of funny.
God damn, dude, that thing's like straight pipe. What the fuck?
I always thought that my car was loud. Her car made my car sound like it was stock. Is the last look of these wheels on the car, because these are going up for sale. I just decided to go with new wheels. I also kind of wanted to switch of some sort, and I just decided to go with the cheapest thing I could find. Those cheapest things were the Nissan 350Z wheels with new tires, new rims. It's really kind of nice. Also, fresh paint. This is all brand spanking new. Merry Christmas to me. This thing is looking so nice. So real quick, my check engine light has been on for years. And I wasn't really sure why. It always had an O2 sensor issue. I replaced the O2 sensors and it was like, oh yeah, that's, still doesn't fix it. And I was like, what the heck's going on? And apparently, the exhaust was what's causing that the entire time. Because as soon as I turned the car on, no more check engine light. Every year I do the tunnel, I'm always like, man, I'm looking forward to the tunnel again, because it's been a year since I've done the tunnel. And then I do it again, and I'm like, that sounds so good. It sounds so good. Man, this thing sounds so good. Love cold starts. Actually on a cold day too. It's 25 degrees. The car really seems to like it when it's a little on the colder side. It is official though, guys. We have hit 200,000 miles in the Infiniti G37. Can't remember exactly when I bought the car. It was either 95,000 miles 103,000 miles or 105,000 miles. Somewhere between there is when I bought the car. So right around 100,000 miles is what I put on the car. But we have done some really cool fixes on the car, which I'm really excited about. We were missing this little silver piece for the longest time. I think it used to be the carbon fiber, because I put the carbon fiber on. I lost it when I was taking out the dash, doing stuff with the dash. The very last time I had put the dash back in the car. I just bought another G37, and the other G37 had some plastic support pieces in the in the trunk of the car to actually hold up those mats a little bit better. So what I did is installed those bad boys in this car. The trunk looks fantastic. It holds everything up no problem. It's just nice to have a nice thing just to make the car feel a little bit more complete and put together. After 200,000 miles, there's been so much to talk about, so let's get into it. My original goal was to get a Nissan 350Z. When I was looking them up, there was only 2 available at the time, and I had to have the car right away. It was like a decision thing. I was like, I gotta have it. I messaged the first guy. He's like, actually, all I want are trades. And I was like, well, I don't have a trade. And then the other car, I messaged the guy about it. Had a little higher miles, but it was actually a nicer car. Just never got back to me. I'll check out the G37. You know, 'cause I don't even know what a G37 is. Oh, it's got the same engine, same transmission, same drivetrain as a 370Z. It's basically a 370Z. I go with a buddy of mine down to Columbus to check this car out. The car was in really rough shape, had a dent in the side, and apparently the car had been sitting for about a year before I had bought it, because nobody wanted it since it had a salvage title, needed a rebuilt title type of thing. And I had experience with actually taking cars in to get them rebuilt, so that was no real problem for me. I didn't even negotiate on price. Took it for a small test drive, just kind of romped on a little bit. I was like, this is it, this is it. I also have a problem saying no. Really wanted it right then and there. We bought it. Cold air intakes from Z1 Motorsports. We have a modified AAM competition exhaust paired with a couple other different pieces, parts. One of the parts from Z1 Motorsports as well. Lightweight flywheel paired with a stage 3 clutch. We have the Alpha Rex headlights on the car. If you get new headlights for the car, the OEM stock headlights are $2,400 for this vehicle. I did not want to spend $2,400, so I was like, let's look in the aftermarket world. I found the Alpha Rex GTR style headlights, $1,200 for the whole set. I was like, worth it. Let's do that. Rev 9 coilovers as well on the car to drop it down maybe like an inch, inch and a half. Also have some 1-inch wheel adapters. It looks so much better. I've done timing chain on the car. I also did the galley gaskets on the car. The OEM galley gasket on the car is made of a really nice high quality paper. It's not good at all. So they actually have like a metal upgrade for that. Along with the clutch upgrade, I also did a CSC elimination kit for the slave cylinder. Slave cylinder is known to go bad if you upgrade the clutch. Along with the exhaust, we also have high flow catalytic converters, and oh my goodness, it opened up the car so much more. I also upgraded the brakes on the car. This car did come with the 4-piston Akebono calipers up front, 2-piston Akebono brakes in the rear, slotted and drilled rotors, and then the sport brake pads as well. So I know I'm probably missing a couple mods. Whenever somebody asks me what kind of modifications I've done to the car, I always miss a couple here and there. When you've done so many things to the car, you're just like, oh yeah, that's right, I also did this mod, that mod. The car is still naturally aspirated, no turbo or supercharger kits involved with the car, sadly. Overall, I have really enjoyed this car. There's been so many different trips I've gone with the car, down to Zdays in North Carolina for car shows in general, going on cruises with friends down the Triple Nickel. Also been a blast of a time. I cannot recommend enough. Definitely go get one of these cars. They're so much fun. They're really difficult to find in the manual configuration. You can find automatics all day. And I think they only made 5,000 of these cars in the manual. My cousin's actually been kind of looking at getting a sports car of some sort. He found one for $6,500. I think it's closer to 200,000 miles, but the car looks immaculate. No issues whatsoever. I'm like, dude, you got to get the car. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Talking about 200,000 miles in the G37. We got Z-Days coming up here pretty soon. Having some more fun times with the vehicle before we move on or do something different.